Welcome back. In the last class, we used the example of fall to give an example of how the prepositions change their meaning. Fall over, fall down, fall off. Now we're going to do the same with turn. So in the first situation, we can see here a girl is writing on the board and then she turns with a preposition to look at the teacher and to see if her answer is correct. In the second example, we can see a book. The person turns with a preposition, turns the page. Okay, it's very difficult for me not to make the gestures nor say the word. Okay, and finally, in the third case, we see a boy who has forgotten his homework and he has to return to his house to take his homework. Okay, so the same as in the other example, I'm going to give you this diagram and I would like you to stop the video and to decide which preposition is the best for each of these three examples. Okay, are you ready? Do you think you know the answer? Okay. Again, what we're going to do is look at the arrows. Okay, the girl is at the blackboard and the motion that she does is this. So the answer is the girl turns around. She turns around. Okay, in the second example, and it doesn't matter whether the motion is this or this, the preposition is the same. This person is turning the page over. There are two options. You can say turn the page over or alternatively turn over the page. Really, there is not much importance to this. As a general rule, between a verb and a preposition, I prefer to put the object in the middle. It's to say, I do prefer turn the page over. Okay, this is not 100% and we will look at this later. So don't worry about this now. Number 3. The boy. You would think that this is very similar to number 1, and you're right, but there is a difference between turning around in the same spot as returning. And the answer to number 3 is that the boy is turning back. That means he is turning around and going back. He has turned back for his homework. Okay, let me give you a few more examples just to get you thinking. Imagine you are in bed, you are sleeping, and you wake up, you are slightly uncomfortable, and you decide to turn. What answer would that be? What preposition would you use? Think about it. Are you ready? The answer would be turn over. Turn over, because over is in a horizontal position, the same as the page. Turn over. You are uncomfortable and you turn over in bed. Let's think of another example. You are in a shop and you try on a jacket. Phrasal verb, try on. You try a jacket on. But you would like to see what it's like behind. So you look in the mirror and you turn. The preposition is answer. The preposition is the person turns around to look at his jacket in the mirror. Okay, one more example. Let's say that you are cooking crepes or you are cooking pancakes. So what do? You cook one side of the crepe and then the other side. What do you have to do with the crepe? Easy. Again, you have the answer. We repeat. Turn over. Turn over. We have finished, but I'm going to leave you with another question. we have spoken about turn around, turn over and turn back. But there is also another option, which is turn away. Can you imagine what turn away might mean? Think about it and I'll tell you in the next chapter.